Imagine discovering that there's a hidden set of financial secrets that the rich quietly use to accelerate their results. Secrets that never appear in traditional finance books or internet motivational talks. What you're about to hear isn't theory, it's pure practice. These are 10 proven ways to build wealth faster than 99% of people. And before we go any further, here's the truth. What separates winners in this game isn't luck, it's the mindset of action. This video isn't about working harder. It's about thinking differently, acting differently, and multiplying results while others are still struggling just to survive. Grab a pen and paper, because each point here has the power to completely change the way you see money, freedom, and growth. The first step is understanding that money is a game, and 99% of people play without knowing the rules. While most focus on earning more, the truly wealthy focus on creating systems that generate income automatically. Money is a reflection of how you think. When you shift from a scarcity mindset to one of multiplication, you stop being a player and become the owner of the board. Do what the 99% won't do. Learn to think in terms of flow, not effort. The money you earn should work for you while you sleep. And that single mindset shift changes everything. Having only one source of income is the trap that keeps the middle class stuck. The top 1% create multiple income streams, investments, digital businesses, royalties, real estate, or even side consulting. The secret isn't to start big, it's to start smart. Build one stream, automate it, then move to the next. The idea is simple. If one dries up, the others keep the flow alive. Money loves movement, and for it to grow, you must understand that the rich don't buy things that lose value, they buy assets that appreciate over time. Every financial decision must answer one question: will this make me money, or will it take money away from me? The difference between buying a car and buying stocks is the difference between status and freedom. The secret is to redirect money toward things that pay you back. Even small amounts invested in the right assets can silently build an empire over time. The next step is to understand the magic of compound interest, the invisible engine of wealth. While most people chase instant results, the rich understand the power of time. A modest but consistent investment multiplies exponentially. The secret is to start now, because time is the most expensive asset there is. Every day you wait is interest paid to stagnation, and when time becomes your ally, you realize that rushing is the enemy of prosperity. Money grows in calm. The 99% chase quick gains. The 1% builds steady, lasting growth. Wealth is built, not won by luck. What sets the rich apart is their ability to use other people's money wisely. Most fear debt, but the rich know that debt can be leveraged. Once you understand the game, using capital from others or institutions to generate profit stops being a risk and becomes a strategy. That's how great businesses are born, not with their own money, but with money used intelligently. Credit without purpose is a prison. Credit with strategy is propulsion. Here's something few people understand. Money flows to those who create real value. In a world full of copies, those who deliver what few can are rewarded exponentially. Invest in skills that solve big problems. Learn to think, sell, and communicate with purpose. The person who masters a rare skill will never be broke. That's the ultimate financial insurance. And speaking of selling, it's one of the most powerful skills you can ever master. Everything in life is sales, ideas, products, services, even your own image. Selling isn't manipulation, it's service with clarity and purpose. When you understand the value you provide and communicate it with confidence, money becomes a natural consequence. Those who don't learn to sell depend on those who do. But none of these secrets work if you try to walk the path alone. No fortune is built in isolation. The wealthy build networks of collaboration, exchange, and growth. The right relationships accelerate results that would take years to achieve alone. Surround yourself with people who think bigger, challenge you, and refuse mediocrity. Proximity is power. Your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And the final secret is the most powerful of all. Become the kind of person that money seeks. Money is energy. It flows toward those prepared to receive it. That means discipline, abundance mindset, and integrity. Money avoids confusion but runs toward clarity. Work harder on yourself than on anything else, and money will be naturally attracted to you. True wealth starts within. It's built in silence, consistency, and vision. Now imagine yourself 5 years from now, looking back and realizing this was the moment everything changed. Not because you heard something new, but because you decided to apply it. The secret of the 1% isn't knowing, it's doing. While 99% wait for the right moment, the 1% create it. Wealth is built by those who move while others hesitate. So, pick one of these 10 secrets and start today. Time will pass anyway. The difference is what you'll do with it.